This is all going to be about the journey of a doctor. Sir, NEET में कितना आया, मेरे को इतना आएगा तो किधर मिलेगा? All that is not going to be there. Remember, this has changed the life of many students in the past. It can even change yours. Perspective change होगा, आपका लाइफ चेंज हो सकता है, आपका डेस्टिनी चेंज हो सकता है. ऐसा क्या है अचानक, क्या बदल देंगे हम लोग? रियलिटी को फेस करना सिखाएंगे, सही इंफॉर्मेशन को कहाँ ढूंढना है वो बताएंगे, ठीक है? और ट्रांसपेरेंटली हमारी करियर हम कैसे सेटअप कर सकें एज अ डॉक्टर राइट अप टू पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, उसका जो ट्रेलर है वो दिखना चालू हो जाएगा आपको. अभी तक आपका एक विजन था, वो सिर्फ नीट एग्जाम में मार्क्स कैसे आ सकते हैं, उसी के बारे में आप लोगों को कोचिंग क्लासेस और प्रोफेसर और वो लोगों ने रखा था. करेक्ट है? Okay, I understand Bhumika, but there are so many students who can only understand in Hindi. So I'm trying to speak in both the languages. Okay, Bhumika, I can understand. Everybody, there is a question mark on your screen. Whenever you have something to speak back with me, you can always connect back. You can just type in, I will read it and I'll answer you. Okay. So guys, let's begin. How are we going to change the way we look at this entire opportunity? NEET is just a filtration exam. Remember, till now you were saying NEET is the only way you can become a doctor. Today you will start feeling, after you got that dream of becoming a doctor, maybe when you were 15 years or 16 years, correct? At that time you thought that, yeah, I'm going to get into NEET, I'll join the best coaching classes, I'll have professors, I'll become. Slowly when you get into it, you will understand that reality is different. The queue is very long. There are more than 20% of the students who repeat every year, and out of 16 lakh students who appear for NEET, there are only 35,000 government seats. So it's basically a filtration process wherein 98% of the students are not going to get into government medical colleges. Correct? So this is all through merit. You must understand that through merit, you can only have very limited seats. We all know that. Then you say, sir, kya kare? What do we do? I thought that I have it in me to become a doctor. My passion is to become a doctor. I want to serve the students, patients. I somehow want to, be a healthcare professional. Now, after seeing the halat in this Corona period, I'm more inclined to become a doctor. I don't have this kind of a money of 60 lakhs and 70 lakhs that I have to pay for the private colleges. What do I do? So merit, money, 98% of the people will not have this merit. Only the top 2% will have merit, which is sufficient enough to get into the government medical colleges above 550 plus in NEET. So naturally you will say, sir, tell me, how do I get 550 plus? Now, I am not a coaching institute for NEET. Remember, Moksh is a company which handholds you to become a doctor right up to post-graduation. Post 12th we come into the picture. For NEET, you have been trying to study for 2 years, 11th plus 12th. So many of you are repeaters, correct? So even 13th year, long term, yeah, you all say, so much of time you spend so that you can get one government medical seat, which is also very difficult in this country. Finally, you go to your parents and ask that I'm not able to get into government. Can we have 60 to 70 lakh rupees? They say it's impossible. And then Medical Council of India says you have the last and the third option of becoming MBBS abroad. So this is how the number of students get into this. Around 2.2% is the success ratio in government, around 2% success ratio in private colleges, but all seats are not filled up. Remember, around 40% seats are unfilled because they are so expensive, people don't have money. And with this kind of a situation, economics and its conditions are not going to be that good this year. Even 40% of the medical seats are not going to be filled up, I'm telling you, for the private. So they might decrease the cost to some extent, but still it's impossible that they'll go below 50 lakhs on an average. I'm saying some might be giving it 40 lakhs, some maybe 70 lakhs. On an average, instead of 60 to 70, it might drop to 50 to 60, something like that. That's a huge amount only for MBBS. In MBBS, you don't get your career done because you have to go right up to PG. You have to become a specialist. If I ask you today what you want to become, what are you going to say? You are going to say, what are you going to say? I want to become a cardio. I want to become a, maybe neuro or, anything gynec or anything of that sort, correct? So, however, if you see the fact, your first chance is government medical college, that is your plan A, 550 plus, and actually your second chance becomes MBBS abroad, which is your plan B, where the admission is guaranteed. I hope you understood now. This is how it has become. Suddenly, in 2018 to 2019, some rules changed. Some rules changed so badly, so differently, that now people are thinking about abroad more than the Indian private colleges. This is the change which happened in 2019. What happened suddenly? In 2018, MBBS abroad, if you see, if you became MBBS from abroad like Russia, Ukraine, China, Philippines, any country, when you come back, you get a degree from there, but you have to get a license to practice in India. In order to get the license, you have to pass one license examination called FMG. Then only you will get a license. But if you passed in India, if your degree is from an Indian private college or government college, you did not have to give this exam and you could have got the license directly. Once you get the license, you can start practicing and you can even apply for the post graduation, which is the core target for every doctor, that I want to reach right up to PG, MD or MS. In 2019, the entire thing changed. Now give your attention over here. The entire rule changed by the government of India. Our parliament changed the rules. On your journey of the doctor became different, whether you are from India and or abroad. कहाँ से भी आ गए आप, government, private, deemed university, abroad, whichever university you became a doctor from, you have to appear for a national exit test. This is the license examination. Like only foreigners were, foreign return students were tested. Now everybody will be tested. And once you qualify for this, you get a license. And if you came in merit of the same exam, you get MDMS. So this becomes the most important exam of your life. If you, even if you got paid 70 lakhs in India, you got a degree, you passed everything, then you have to give one examination to get the license. If you have the license, you can touch the patient, you can diagnose, you can provide the, you can suggest the drugs, you can, do everything. You can send the samples on the pathology lab. Everything is possible only and only if you have the license to practice as a doctor. Only degree is useless. This is the difference between the two. And in order to get from here to here, you have one more step. Now you will say, sir, this is dangerous. That's what a lot of people thought, that now it's a difficult thing, that if I take an admission in 70 lakhs and if I still don't pass national exit test, where will I go? So suddenly everybody understood the most important thing in MBBS has suddenly become the license examination. So if I want to get in India, the license examination is national exit test. If I want to get into US, the license examination is USMLE. So on your screen, as you can see, National Medical Commission bill passes Rajya Sabha test. Healthcare on the verge of changes. This happened in August 2019. The landmark changes have happened in the education segment. Modi government considers this bill as one of the biggest reforms in India. It has changed entire gamut of becoming a doctor. I hope you have understood. Now I am going to show it, let it get downloaded. It's taking time. Newspaper, websites, so advertisements and everything will get downloaded. It will take 30 seconds. So let it take some time. But in the meantime, I'm going to take you to that, the exact national exit test. What does it state exactly? What does it mean? How it will be conducted and how it is applicable for whom? So this is something which you must study. अगर आप, if you research these things properly, then only you will know the actual way to become a doctor. Just NEET is one thing. As I told you, only 2% of the NEET people are going to be successful. Most of the people are going to be 98% of the people who are appearing for NEET will have to find another route. A key provision of the bill aims to bring in uniformity in medical education standards. If you are studying in India, it seeks a common final year MBBS exam to be called National Exit Test. अगर आप इंडिया में MBBS कर रहे हो तो नेशनल एग्जिट टेस्ट अभी कंपलसरी हो गया है फॉर एडमिशन टू पीजी कोर्स एंड ऑब्टेनिंग लाइसेंस. दोनों चीज एक ही एग्जाम के थ्रू होगा. For even the license, even the PG seat, everything is through national exit test. Okay. In case you are coming from abroad, it proposes that the final year MBBS exam again to be treated as an entrance exam for PG and a screening test for the students who graduated in medicine from foreign medical colleges. When 15,000 students go abroad every year, it's a huge number because you don't get admission in India. So many students go abroad to become a doctor. In such circumstances, what happens? Everybody has to be at par. Uniformity in medical education. 15,000 students go open category in government, 15,000 in reserved category in government approximately, and 15,000 total students who go abroad. It's almost become a parallel education. So all these are now at par, everybody. So you must understand that now national exit test or USMLE for US has become the most important. Let me understand how much you have understood so that we can move on to the next level of discussions. What do you think? Should you prepare for such license examination while you are studying MBBS? Right from the first year, every subject has to be mastered so that by the time you finish, you get ready for the license examination. Correct? So it's very easy. You can participate on the poll. You just have to click and we will understand whether you have understood the whole concept of license examination for any Indian student. I request you to quickly participate and we go for the next section. Okay, last 2 seconds and I'm closing this. Fantastic. Now here you are. यहाँ पे है 63% of the people who are saying I've understood. It's very important. And if I go into MBBS, whether in India or abroad, whether government or private, whether Russia or Ukraine, nothing matters. I have to prepare for the license examination. And second option is 38% are saying that maybe I might prepare, I may not prepare, it doesn't matter. Main thing is to get into MBBS and get the degree, then we'll see how to get the license. This is what 37% of the people feel like. Now I'm going to show something to everybody that what happened to the people who said, sir, maybe. Since license examination was there, it is still there for every student who comes back. So naturally, you can go to Google and you can check it, correct? Let's see FMG for the doctors who came back from abroad between 2015 to 2018. What is the passing rate of the license examination? Pass percentage of FMG taken by NBE in India, 4 years average 2015, 16, 17, 18 is only 14%. 61,418 students gave examination. So around 15,000 per year were appearing for the examination. Out of that, only 8,731. This I'm Googling it. You can also do that. What remains is 52,687 doctors. Now these doctors failed. There were two reasons. One was admission agents, they fooled them and placed them in the wrong college. or wrong country, wrong university. And second, that maybe I might prepare for license exam, I may not prepare for license exam. These doctors are right now sitting at home. They have spent 20 to 25 lakhs to become a doctor. They have the degree from the same college as these people. All have degrees. The difference is they don't have license because they are not able to pass the license examination. They've spent same time, effort, money. They learned the same subject. They have the same degree. But only these many people became doctors, and these people are now sitting at home. I hope you have now become serious to understand when 86% of the students cannot pass the license examination, and this is not 1 year, this is an average of 4 years. That means it's a serious problem. There are reasons which you must understand, that if you don't prepare for it, if you don't take things seriously, अगर इस चीज को ऐसे ही लोगे, next India या USMLE for US, if you don't prepare yourself, you are not going to become a doctor and practicing. You might get a degree and sit at home. This is the difference that you will get into. I hope you have become serious enough to understand the importance of license examination. And the second point I told you, choosing the right college. You are making a mistake here. She is choosing the right university when you go abroad. Since 15,000 students go abroad, I can tell you, hardly in 450 colleges approved by MCI, hardly 50 colleges are worth going. Out of 450, 50 colleges are good to go. In such circumstances, agents will make huge amount of money from you, and you will be fooled forever, and your career is screwed forever. I hope you understand. You must know how to select the university. And here in this webinar, I am going to showcase to you some websites which are definitely neutral government websites, जो आपको सही तरीके से, it will help you to find the right university for you, and Moksha will provide you with the license examination coaching. Every student, every year, they get, suppose 26th July is your exam, on 27th July itself you will be provided with a free license examination package. You understand how your next exam or USMLE exam will be conducted, and how will you prepare for it, and when you are, even if you are abroad, how will you do it, so that you get used to the whole system of license examination and preparation. Once you are sure about it, there is nothing that you need to worry about. Okay, why do students go abroad? I mean, once they plan A, if it fails, if you fail to get 550 plus in NEET, you have to activate plan B, because everybody wants to become a doctor. Now at this stage, after working so hard, you don't want to go back and make a U-turn. No sir, I don't want to become a doctor. No, there are enough options for you to become a doctor. And not only MBBS, you can go right up to PG. You can become MD or MS, the surgeon. You can become a specialist. You can think about some specialization for yourself and then move towards it. It all depends on your goal. आपके मन में क्या है, वही आपको ड्राइव करने वाला है. अगर आप ये सब चैलेंजेस को देख के 16 लाख में से सिर्फ 2.2% को मिलने वाला है, उसमें भी आधे ओपन है, आधे रिजर्व्ड है, ये सब सुन के तो डिस्करेजमेंट होता है. बट इफ यू थिंक that if I decide I want to reach right up to PG, there are enough ways that are available for you, because the cost is low. There is no entrance examination. You just need to be NEET qualified. Now, what is qualified? In 2019, qualified was 134 or something like that, just that much. In 2020, you can expect it to be, maybe 140, 145. That's all. If you have even this much, you can get into a world ranked university. Can you believe this? And that university will be MCI approved, just like an Indian government college or a private one. And if you are choosing a developed country, you are going to get super infrastructure of the developed country. If you choose faltu country, backward country like Kyrgyzstan, like many students choose such mistake, they make a mistake of Pakistan, Kyrgyzstan, and all those useless countries where there is, or even Georgia. These are the countries which are extremely backward. There is no infrastructure. Agent पैसा कमाने के लिए आपकी career बेच डालता है. And if you are one of those victims, nobody can help you. If you think you want to go somewhere outside the country, you have to go somewhere which is advanced than India, not backward than India. Okay. So let's see how do we select. Since 450 colleges, only 50 colleges are top ones. You don't want to go to those bad ones, the 400. How do you select? Simple criteria. Let me tell you, extremely easy. You have to make sure that you choose an advanced country, developed country, and not underdeveloped country. Even within developed country, choose your top university. Make sure that license examination preparation is there right up to PG you are preparing, and you don't need an admission agent. No, 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 no. You don't need an admission agent. You simply need to plan your career, because admission agents are going to fool you like any. They are frauds. Simple. Now this is something which I'm telling you in a very, very clear, open, public domain. They can cheat you like anything. Okay? Exactly, Tunil Chakraborty, you are absolutely correct. The reason is many people feel, the parents say that how to send you to a foreign country. Earlier, the problem was if you take a private college, you did not have to pass the license examination, Tunil. But now the things are very different. Now national exit test is for everybody. Have you understood now? So people think that because there is no license examination, I'll pay money and become a doctor. Parents had the money, doctors had the money, their children became doctor. But now it's not that only if you come from abroad you have to give FMG. That was the reason. Now things have changed, so people are thinking it differently. It's good, that very good question that you have asked. Let me tell you how the agents will fool you. Okay, this is what we were looking at. Agent can get in. These people will get into your life like corona. I am telling you, invisible hai. Invisible agents, can you believe it? Invisible agents, they are on YouTube, and when you type MBBS abroad on YouTube, they will come and they'll fool you, because you are looking for them. They are fooling for you. They are looking for your money. Before you go to anybody, you should do your research well, so that nobody can fool you. Remember this one sentence: do not go for agents who are in your city. सर वो नजदीक में था, इसलिए मेरे घर के बाजू में था, तो मैंने स्कूटर पे किक मारा और उसके पास चला गया. उसने आपकी करियर को किक मारेगा. You need a professional help. You need a proper guidance. You need a hand holding right till PG. A small guy with a shutter up and down 3 months and 3 months up and 9 months down, he is not going to help you out. You need proper company who can address your every query, a technology company who can give you the right license examination preparation, hand-holding support. There is a staff requirement. There are offices across the country. There is a brand requirement. There are a lot of such things. Look for them. They will help you. Students becoming agent. This is what I'm saying. They are like corona. They are not looking like agent. What happens, I'll tell you. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. That's right, Priyanka. That's right. So when you complete your MBBS, okay, let's say 5th year, your exam is there for next 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 subjects taught here: anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. 5 subjects taught here: pathology, pharmacology, these, forensic medicine and all. Another 3 subjects taught here. Like this, total 19 subjects are taught, and the exam will be taken in 5th year for all 19 subjects. So that means you need a constant revision of the subjects plus the new subjects learning. This is something which is required constantly. I hope you understood, Priyanka. Without this, you cannot get the license. Okay. Now, suppose if you go to Kyrgyzstan this year, you heard that some student called you, अरे आजा बॉस, यहाँ पे तो बहुत मजे है, यहाँ पे गर्लफ्रेंड है, यहाँ पे लाइफ इजी है, एमबीबीएस बहुत फटाफट पास हो जाता है, यहाँ पे बहुत जबरदस्त इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, सॉलिड क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचिंग है, सब आ जाओ इधर. And he happens to be from your village, from your neighbor, from this thing. What will you think? You will think, यार ये तो बाजू में है, अपने को तो भरोसा है इसके ऊपर. Let's go. If he has gone, then मेरे को डर नहीं है अभी. I'll be with him, and he will say that I'm here with you. I'm there for you. I'll take care of you. You just don't worry. Just get me $7,000 when you come. We'll pay the fees directly to the university, and everything will be done. Don't worry about it. There is free food is available. Indian khana hai, ये है, वो है, hostel है. We are all having fun. You are definitely going to go listen to him. Now, actually, what has happened is he was also fooled like this last year in 2019. Now he has come in 2020 to fool you. And you will come back in 2021 because you are also going to do the same thing, because you can only become an agent. You cannot become a doctor. Actually, you want to become a doctor. When you choose the wrong country, you start becoming an agent. What happens? Imagine what happens. You wanted to become a doctor. When you reach there, you realize that it's a wrong country, wrong college. I can't become a doctor. I've been fooled. All my money has been looted by the agent. 6-7 lakh rupees I have given to him. I should not have given my fees to the agent, but I am a fool. I gave it to him. Actually, fees are supposed to be paid to the university. How did I make a mistake? I couldn't understand this. That student who came fooled me. Now what will I do? I'll also fool some students next year, because I have to recover my money. This is how you will be fooled, because this is how everything has been going on for years now. Okay? It's been years since colleges are filled. Wrong places people are going because they don't do their research. They don't have a choice. This is a simple choice you should have: government university with experience of teaching and program taught in English language. These three simple requirements, and 450 universities will become 50 universities. Simple. Now tell me, do you want to go to a government college which has 80 to 100 years of experience, or you want to go for a private college with 5 year, 10 year, 20 year experience, जिसका owner एक single person है, he rules everything, he can fail you anytime, he can put you in trouble, he can do anything. It's a private college. A government college has rules, regulations, high level of patients flow, hospital beds, affiliation, everything is at a much higher level. Thousands of doctors of placing, becoming licensed physician across the world is already done in the last 100 of years. Let me ask you, which is going to be your choice? So that you must understand, once your choice is clear, then I'll teach you how to find that college in 5 minutes. Out of 450 MCI approved colleges, you can simply find your college within 5 to 10 minutes. It won't take much time. Okay, here you are. I'm sharing with you. Almost 92% of the students, they understood that we should only be going for the government college. Nobody who is serious will ever go to a private college. But 80% of the students say we will go to the private college. Why do you think these are saying that? Every day on my webinar, every evening, there are useless agents who come and try to misguide. They think if I'll put private, sir will say, okay, private ke liye 8% hai. This is how the agents will fool you. I don't know. I'm not able to see you all, right? I don't know who are listening to me. I only know that there are hundreds of students listening to me right now. I just don't know who is student, who is agent, anything. Out of these hundreds of students who are listening to us, there are 8% of the people who are agents who are suggesting go for private college. I'll choose a private college for you. You know why the agents wants you to go to the private college? Any guess for anybody? Because they want to earn commission out of your fees, plus they want to loot you in India. Double way. If I place you in government, the government is not going to give me any commission. Remember that. If I have to reach right up to medical PG and not up to MBBS, I don't need agent. I need career planning. I need license examination coaching, and I need the right university, so that in a very advanced country, not backward country like Georgia or Kyrgyzstan. Simple things. Now I will tell you how would you know 95% of the students, 92% of the students wants government college. Let's see how do you get the government college. Simply go to World Directory of Medical Schools. And when you go to this place, you can check any university available on this entire planet. You can check its history, status, accreditation, program, government or private, how many years old. For example, largest number of students go to Ukraine, correct? Largest number of students go to Ukraine. Let's see what are the kind of universities that you get. Now, any faltu agent, let's say, let's start searching for Taras. There is one university called Taras. Any agent who wants to loot you, he will suggest Taras. Why? It's not getting sold. It's just 2 years, 3 years old university. Not a single batch has ever come out of this. एक स्टूडेंट भी नहीं आया इसके बाहर कॉलेज में डॉक्टर बन के. अभी तो 3 साल पुराना कॉलेज, तीसरा साल चल. Why would I go? तो any agent trying to promote or suggest this, beware that he is trying to fool you. Beware that he is going to put you in trouble. He doesn't care for your career. वो सिर्फ अपने पैसों के लिए ढूंढ रहा है. सेम कॉस्ट में अगर आपको लवीव जैसी 200 साल पुरानी कॉलेज मिल जाए, जिसमें 125 साल पहले मेडिसिन हो गया है चालू, 125 years of history of producing doctors and placing them abroad in various countries globally. This is called a university. This is public, not a private one. Like this, there are many universities, not one. There are many universities in Ukraine itself. Don't go for the bad ones, go for the right ones. Faltu college mein mat jao. I'll show you. In Ukraine, if you go, there are people who will suggest you to go to, let's say, Kharkiv. Go to Kharkiv. Would you ever go to this college? 92% wants to go to government college. Would you ever want to go to this college? Simple question. Now, if you also want to check the real way to finalize university, this is one place, World Directory, and another place is Google. War zone in Ukraine. Just check the map. You know exactly where you have to go and where you should not go. It's there right in front of you. I'm just doing Google in front of you. This is the small research that you need to do, and you can easily finalize it yourself. You really don't need an agent to fix your university, correct? This is what it is right in front of you. You do not want any university on the Eastern Front, because East has this problem. As you can see it, you should be going in the West part. It's so simple. So if you want, there are enough universities which are on the West part. This is not safe. Current war zone, occupation by RSA, Kharkiv. So you should be going over here. You should be choosing to go to any university. There are multiple universities on this part. You can go to anywhere you wish to. Simple. Let me check who wants to go where, so that we are very sure you are capable then finally to use, to finalize your own university, that you can have guarantee to become a doctor without any problem. Let me check who wants to become a doctor from, कई लोगों ने सुना होगा, I heard from Russia, I heard from Kyrgyzstan, my friend is from so and so China, some or the other country you must have heard about, correct? Where would you think to become? Suppose in case you don't get your 550 in India, where would you go? So here you are. मैं share कर देता हूँ आपको. 13% China. I can understand China has the largest number of the world ranked universities available, with huge campuses, super power. हमने सबने देखा, इसका ताकत बहुत बढ़ गया है अभी। आप लोग सबका मर्जी है, हर साल हम लोग बहुत स्टूडेंट चाइना भेजते हैं, बट इस साल आपको सोचना है, आप डिसाइड करोगे। 8% फिलीपींस वाले बहुत संभाल के जाना। मैंने पहले ही बताया, सबसे बड़ा स्कैम इंडिया के अंदर फिलीपींस है। सो फिलीपींस जाने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सही तरीके से जाना। यू हैव टू गो राइट वे। ओके, मिस मोहिनी विल एक्सप्लेन यू. I will request this 8% who wants to go to Philippines. You can ask her how to go to Philippines. And 79% others. So you must be thinking about Russia or top college in Ukraine on the western part, correct? I'll show you now what happens to the students who choose Russia. Do some research on your own. I am doing it on the Government of India office available in Russia, that is Indian Embassy in Russia. And when I did my research, I was shocked at what the government of India is advising us to. Remember this, the government will never lie, correct? You can see it. This is the Government of India, Embassy of India office. They are giving certain advisories for the education, medium of instructions and other problems. क्या क्या problem है रशिया में पढ़ाई करने का? Let us see what are the problems. Please read it carefully before you finalize the university in Russia. This is how you remove 450 में से 400 kachra you remove, balance 50 any country, any university, no problem. Okay, now what does the government say? There is a publicity in India. What is say? Publicity, advertisements, promotions by agents, correct? That there is English medium courses for MBBS in Russia. Right now on your chat, these links to these pages, web pages is already shared. आप लोग अपना चैट मोड खोल के देख सकते हो। यही लिंक आप स्टोर कर लो, बुकमार्क कर लो, क्योंकि कभी भी रशिया में जाना है अगर MBBS के लिए, तो कोई भी एजेंट ये नहीं बोलेगा जो हम दिखा रहे हैं, ये सारे लोग छुपाएंगे। मीडियम ऑफ एजुकेशन in Russian institution is mostly in local language. वहां पे इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता। Most institutions teach you first 3 years in English and from 4th year सब कुछ रशियन लैंग्वेज में हो जाएगा। Students must be prepared for the dual medium of instruction. Can you believe it? Students अलग अलग 2 लैंग्वेज में सीखेंगे, 3 साल इंग्लिश में सीखेंगे, बाकी का पूरा रशियन लैंग्वेज में सीखेंगे। जैसे ही क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स आया, सब कुछ रशियन लैंग्वेज में हो जाएगा। मतलब पीडियाट्रिक रशियन, जनरल सर्जरी रशियन, OBGY रशियन, सब कुछ रशियन में सीखोगे। और उसके बाद में आप इंडिया आओगे और इंडिया में मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया MCI क्या बोलेगी? भाई आपकी एग्जाम देनी है तभी तो लाइसेंस मिलेगा। अब यहाँ पे रशियन में पढ़े, यहाँ कैसे पास होंगे भाई? अगर आप डिग्री लेके आए, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डिग्री लेके आए, हार्वर्ड की डिग्री लेके आओगे, बट अगर लाइसेंस नहीं है तो आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाओगे। दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कंट्री लाइक रशिया विच इज एन एडवांस्ड कंट्री, सब कुछ सही है, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज है, एडवांस्ड कंट्री है, अपने से काफी अच्छा है, सब कुछ बढ़िया है। एक प्रॉब्लम फिर भी है, लैंग्वेज उनको नहीं आती। सिर्फ स्पेशल लाइसेंस वाली जो यूनिवर्सिटी है उसी में इंग्लिश मिलेगा। What it means is we have to go and ask the embassy. Then in this case, why did MCI approve the colleges which are not teaching in English? So we did that. Why do you first approve the college? Like kind of 50 colleges are approved in Russia, but now you are saying there are hardly 6-7 colleges we can actually teach you in English. So then they launched one more page over here. Now this is what is the most important page that you can understand. Then they launched the information about the ratings of the universities, and they suggested that if you don't want to have the problem with the universities, language problem, then in that case choose the top colleges. And this is how, again, go to embassy. I'm just downloading it. It's taking its own time to get in. Okay, so let it get downloaded. In the meantime, all I am trying to tell you is select your college when it comes to Russia in a very typical manner. So ये है, this is what the embassy says. This is the rating list that you must understand, that you can only and only go for the Russian colleges where the ratings are high. The link will be given by the counselors. You can also search it on Google. आपको अगर जाना है तो टॉप वाली कॉलेज में जाना, बॉटम वाली फालतू कॉलेज में जाके फंसना मत। एजेंट्स आपको सारा बोलेगा, यूट्यूब पे आके बोलेगा आप इस कॉलेज में चले जाओ, उस कॉलेज में चले जाओ, बराबर है, अल्ताई में चले जाओ, उसको बोलो मैंने देखा है ऑलरेडी मैंने मोक्ष का वेबिनार देख लिया है, मुझे पता है कि रेटिंग्स ऑलरेडी अनाउंस हो चुके हैं, ये फालतू कॉलेजेस में मुझे नहीं जाना। ओके, अगर आप YouTube पे जाओगे तो ये त्वेर स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी है, उसका फ्रॉड स्कैम YouTube के ऊपर आराम से पढ़ सकते हो, देख सकते हो। इंडिया के हजारों डॉक्टर ने ये डाला हुआ है कि कैसे उनको फंसाया गया था, कैसे उनको प्रॉब्लम में लेके आ गए थे, और बच्चों की हालत कितनी बुरी हो गई थी इस यूनिवर्सिटी में। सो आपके पास बहुत सारा खजाना है, अगर सर्च करने जाओगे तो मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है ना। यस प्राची, प्रियंका, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम एज फार एज द मीडियम इज कंसर्न्ड। हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चे गुजराती मीडियम से भी हैं, हिंदी मीडियम से भी हैं, साउथ इंडियन मीडियम से भी हैं, तो काफी लोग गए हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आप लोगों को दोनों के अंदर, अभी कई लोग बोलते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग पहले ये समझो कि यूनिवर्सिटी कैसे होती है। अब देखो यहाँ पे कजान फेडरल है, बराबर है, और यहाँ पे आप इस मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर कजान फेडरल है जो टॉप कॉलेज में आता है, ऐसा दिखाया गया है। और इस मिनिस्ट्री में कजान स्टेट है, ठीक है ना, आप देख रहे हो, आपके सामने है ये। अब आप मुझे बताओ, अगर आपने किसी YouTube के ऊपर कजान फेडरल का देखा, इतने सारे YouTube के ऊपर आज की तारीख में ये झूठे वीडियोस चल रहे हैं, ये इतना अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी है, ये पुतिन आया था, वहां का प्रेसिडेंट आया था, सब बकवास काट डालो अपने वीडियोस में से, ठीक है। ये बोलते हैं ये 1802 का यूनिवर्सिटी है, 100 साल, 150 साल, 200 साल पुराना है, जो भी है। आपका क्या नजरिया है? सबसे पहला आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, पहले चेक करो इधर जाके। भैया ये वीडियो में बोल तो रहा है कजान फेडरल 200 साल पुराना है, मैं यहाँ पे रशिया में जाके चेक कर लेता हूँ भाई एक्चुअल में सिचुएशन क्या है। कजान चेक कर लिया मैंने, यहाँ पे सर्च कर दिया, सब कजान फेडरल आ गया। भाई यूनिवर्सिटी तो 200 साल पुरानी होगी, पर मेडिसिन तो यहाँ पे मुश्किल से 6 साल पहले शुरू हुआ है। इनको एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं है मेडिसिन सिखाने का, मैं क्यों जाऊं। ये इतना बड़ा तरीके से प्रमोशन चल रहा है यूट्यूब पे, पैसा गूगल यूट्यूब को पैसा दो तो वो आपके पास पहुंचा देता है वीडियो, बराबर है। वो वीडियो पहुंचाएगा, आपको लगेगा यार ये तो जबरदस्त है, मैं इस कांटेक्ट करूं इस एजेंट को और मैं चला जाऊं कजान फेडरल। भागो मत भाई, पहले खुद का दिमाग यूज करो, खुद रिसर्च करो, नहीं तो उल्लू बन के पैसा भी जाएगा, करियर भी जाएगी आपकी। दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया। सेम थिंग, अगर आपने थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कजान फेडरल है, फेडरल मतलब ही स्टेट लेवल का है, बट वो बोलते फेडरल कोई ही यूनिवर्सिटी को मिलता है, फेडरल सब यूनिवर्सिटी को नहीं मिलता, इससे उल्लू बनाता है गांव वाले बच्चों को। कजान स्टेट है, वो पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी है, और ये प्योर मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी है। हमको मेडिकल सीखना है भाई, जनरल नहीं सीखना। मुझे क्यूएस का रैंकिंग नहीं चाहिए, वो रैंकिंग इकोनॉमिक्स की वजह से आया है, बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट के लिए वजह से आया है, और अभी 6 साल पहले मेडिसिन सीखा है, तो क्या मैं उस यूनिवर्सिटी में जाऊंगा, या फिर मैं डेडिकेटेड मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में जाऊंगा जो 106 साल से सिर्फ मेडिसिन सिखा रही है और कुछ सिखाने को आता ही नहीं है उसको। यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू सी अ वीडियो। यू हैव वन, मोक्ष के काउंसलर्स आपके लिए बैठे हैं, you can always call them, get this kind of thing, and then you can apply for the right college without any problem। आपको अभी आज की तारीख में MBBS का कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मैं आपको सिंपल बता रहा हूँ। नीट में 2 ही तरीके हो सकते हैं, या नीट में 550 के ऊपर या नीट में 550 के नीचे। 550 के ऊपर आपका इंडिया में गारंटीड हो गया, 550 के नीचे नीट के अंदर मतलब आपका फॉरेन में गारंटीड हो गया। सिंपल, भले फिर 200 ही हो, 250 हो, 300 हो, 400 हो, आपका खर्चा 20 लाख, 15 लाख, 30 लाख, 25 लाख के बीच में सब कुछ हो जाता है। आप अपनी सीट अभी से ब्लॉक करा के रख सकते हो ताकि लास्ट मिनट मारामारी नहीं होगी। कोरोना की वजह से टाइम बहुत ही कम मिला है अभी आपको, क्योंकि जुलाई में एग्जाम होगी, अगस्त में रिजल्ट निकलेगा, सितंबर में काउंसलिंग होगी, अब टाइम कहाँ रह गया, वहां तो बैचेस चालू हो जाएंगे। You will have to really work hard to take a right research, do the right research, plan your B, plan B आपके पास होना चाहिए जो आपकी करियर के लिए बेस्ट तरीके से आप एग्जीक्यूट कर सको। और करियर का जो चार्ट है वो आपके सामने मैंने यहीं पे रखा है। आपको इस लाइसेंस एग्जाम के लिए कैसे तैयारी करनी है और पीजी तक कैसे जाना है, चाहे आप इंडिया में हो चाहे अब्रॉड में हो, अब लाइसेंस एग्जाम आपको जरूरी है। आपके बजट के बेसिस के ऊपर आप या तो इंडिया में रहोगे पीजी तक, या तो एमबीबीएस कहाँ करोगे और यूएस में आप पीजी करोगे, या तो फिर आप जर्मनी में करोगे। ये तीनों रास्ते मोक्ष आपको यहाँ से जो है, मोक्ष आपको हैंड होल्ड करेगा और आपको पीजी तक पहुंचाएगा, लाइसेंस एग्जाम पास करवाएगा, वो जिम्मेवारी मोक्ष की है। और 27 जुलाई को जैसे ही नीट खत्म होती है तो आपका खुद का पर्सनलाइज्ड लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड दे देंगे, क्रेडेंशियल्स, आप आराम से इसकी शुरुआत करो, पीप लो इसके अंदर, डीप जाओ, समझ लो पूरा कि कैसे तक जाते हैं। ठीक है, अब कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको इंडिया में मिलने के लिए। नीट की तैयारी आपकी है। अगर आप 2% में नहीं हो और 98% में हो, बाकी के स्टूडेंट जिसको नहीं मिला, तो अब्रॉड जाने के लिए तैयारी रख सकते हो। ठीक है गाइस, दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल केस दैट depending on the budget of the student, the final decisions will take. And I also want to ask, did this webinar help them to understand clearly the journey of a doctor right up to post graduation? This is very important for us because we are doing it on a daily basis to hundreds of students, and we have to be doing it correctly. It's a very responsible job for Moksha to guide them correctly without any mirch masala into the story, in a very transparent and straightforward manner. Direct connection of the information from the government website is the most important thing that you should do. Don't listen to hanky-panky all small scale agents who will try to attract your attention. कोई बोलेगा 6 साल का फीस 5 साल का फीस में कर दूंगा, कोई बोलेगा मैं आपको ऐसा कर दूंगा वैसा कर दूंगा, मैं प्रोफेसर भेज दूंगा एमसीआई सिखाने के लिए, एफएमजी, सब बकवास है। बोलो मेरे हाथ में क्या दे रहे हो उसकी बात करो, बाकी का छोड़ दो। So this is where it closes. I'm sharing you 85% of the people have agreed that I'm very helpful. I'm very thankful to each one of you.